Doctors, nurses, and others involved in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic should not hesitate to get themselves vaccinated, the government has said today. Top medical experts and members of the government think tank Niti Aayog have requested people eligible for vaccination not to fall for rumors on safety and that minor adverse effects are common and should not deter people from inoculation. A lot of efforts have gone into making the vaccines. If our healthcare workers, especially doctors and nurses, are declining it, then it's very upsetting. We never know what form this pandemic could take, how big it could get, so please get vaccinated, Niti Aayog member on health Dr. V.K. Paul told reporters today, the fourth day since COVID-19 vaccination has begun in India. Ahead of assembly elections due in a few months, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been focusing on areas where the BJP has made significant gains. After a massive rally at East Midnapur's Nandigram, today she was in Purulia, where the BJP gained ground during last year's Lok Sabha election and where she told the gathering they had been misled. BJP leaders shamelessly misled you during the Lok Sabha elections for their own gain and have run away to Delhi, Banerjee said. The Indian government has asked WhatsApp to withdraw the recent changes in the privacy policy of the messaging app, saying unilateral changes are not fair and acceptable. In a strongly worded letter to WhatsApp Chief Executive Officer, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology said that India is home to the largest user base of WhatsApp globally and is one of the biggest markets for its services. The proposed changes to the WhatsApp terms and services and privacy policy raise grave concerns regarding the implication for the choice and autonomy of Indian citizens. An Indian cricket team saddled with broken bones and battered bodies showed a never-seen-before zeal to retain the coveted Border Gavaskar Trophy with a historic 3-wicket win over Australia in the fourth and final test in Brisbane, successfully chasing a 328-run target to seal the 4-match series by 2-1. A minefield of talent called Rishabh Pant, 89 not out of 138 balls, channeled his inner Mad Max to scare the daylights out of the Australians with his breathtaking stroke play, ending the home team's 32-year-old unbeaten run at the Fortress Gabba. The result has the potential to end Tim Paine's reign as Australian captain, having lost back-to-back home series against India. After India's remarkable series win, BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has said that this series will be remembered forever in the history of Indian cricket. The former Indian captain congratulated the Indian team for the remarkable series win and also announced a 5 crore bonus for the players and support staff. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also congratulated the team. He tweeted, "We are all overjoyed at the success of Indian cricket team in Australia. Their remarkable energy and passion was visible throughout. So was their stellar intent, remarkable grit and determination. Congratulations to the team. Best wishes for your future endeavors." That is what PM Modi tweeted.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.